My name is Dan Schneiderman. I'm the owner and founder of law offices at Daniel Schneiderman APC. I was a district attorney in Sacramento for a period of time before I joined a big civil litigation firm out of Sacramento. We provide personal injury legal services to injured persons and families that have been wronged due to the fault of another. So this case, the value of the case immediately warranted, and we sought out the Valdez team to help provide us with structured settlement, to help structure our firm's fee that we would ultimately get from resolution of that case, to set up a Medicare Set-Aside for our client, and to make sure that that was appropriately and properly professionally administered for our clients into the future. Our client was injured in August of 2019. They retained us in September of 2019, and it ultimately resolved shortly thereafter in May 2020 for $7.5 million, all value considered. So working with the Valdez team, one, they're just great people. You can tell that right off the bat if you sit down with them, if they sit down with your clients. One, you don't need to keep a leash on them or anything like that when they're talking to your clients. They know how to deal with injured people. They know how to deal with injured clients. They know how to deal with personal injury clients, which are not always the easiest things to do, especially when somebody's been catastrophically injured like was the case in our case. Working with them, I use the word invaluable a lot, but that is the best word to describe it. They brought so much to the table, not just in terms of my own edification, but in terms of educating my client. And without any compensation off the top or anything like that, they put in numerous hours making sure I understood what they were setting up for my client, making sure my client understood what they were setting up for them, and making sure that everything was wrapped up in a very clean, concise, and understandable manner. Ultimately, the Valdez team is somebody I'm going to use again. I would recommend them to anybody who is in a similar situation or is considering the impact of getting a large lump sum settlement or any type of settlement whatsoever in the field of personal injury. They are a resource for you. They're somebody you can talk to, and at the end of the day, they're somebody you can trust.